Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This pick a card reading will be what are the blessings that coming on your way in 2022. What blessings are coming on your life? So we will see today. This is also like voted by many of the people, so that is the reason I chose this topic. Whatever topics you are suggesting, definitely I will put a poll. Then whatever topic gets more votes, that topic I will do the reading for sure. Okay, so that's all. As usual, we have two piles here. Pile number 1 is this beautiful flower, and pile 2 this blue color flower. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can meditate on the pile, then you can choose the pile accordingly. Okay, then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever is applicable to you, then leave the rest. So please take only the messages which resonates with you. Okay, then leave the rest. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do the readings more and more. Okay, then many of you are the subscribers but still not watching the videos. I don't know what is the reason. You may comment in the comment section if at all you want some different kind of readings, then that also I can do, because many of the people, they are not worried about the career and all in this my channel. So that is the reason career readings I do very rarely, and this time also I got more votes for the blessings coming on your way. So that is the reason that topic I chose for this reading. Okay, that's all. Without wasting much time, let us start the reading. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the readings and if you like the content that I am posting. Okay, that's all. So let us start the reading. Whoever chose this pile number 1, this beautiful flower, then this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels, so what blessings are coming in your way in the new year 2022? What blessings are coming in 2022 for my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. So whatever messages are coming, then I will try to explain it to you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Let us start the new year with beautiful energy. So the first card is the Lovers, the Emperor, the Hierophant, and the bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. Okay, so these are all the first spread cards we have here. So what I feel is whoever is watching this reading, they might be Gemini, Virgo, Aries or Taurus. Okay, these might be the sun signs of you now, whoever is watching this reading. So viewers sign might be this. Okay, so first of all, I can see in 2022 the blessings are coming in your way. So I feel that this pile, whoever chose this, is kind of a spiritual pile. Maybe you are doing some practices like meditation, or you are practicing some spirituality, maybe different type of ashtanga yoga, any of the yoga maybe you are trying. So you are doing yoga and meditation. So in this year 2022, you will be more spiritual. You will try to understand yourself instead of looking outside the society, the world. You try to look within yourself. Who are you? Who were you in the last past life? Okay, these are all the kind of doubts will be getting in your mind, and you will be more and more meditating, more and more going to different pilgrimages, then temples or churches. Okay, whichever religion yours is, then you will be practicing more and more spirituality in next year. So you will be very happy within yourself. I can see you will feel very much completed, satisfied in your own skin, I can say. So you will be very very happy with yourself. First of all, you like yourself, you love yourself, and you will see inside what is there in you. Okay, so that is the greatest blessing, I can say. Whoever chose the pile number 1, that is the greatest gift from God. Okay, that is the blessing from God. If you know everything, if you can open your third eye, then you know everything, right? You know the future, you know the past, you know everything. Whatever you want, you can manifest. Okay, so that is what is the main blessing coming in your life in 2022. Then because you love yourself, because you started liking yourself, you are attracting your soulmate, because the Lovers card is there. Okay, so definitely in this year, so you will be attracting your soulmate, because now you let it go. Like maybe this year you were worried about your marriage, you are worried about your love life, or you have some person, specific person in your life, and you are very much obsessed with them. Like you are continuously checking the phone, checking the mails, whether he or she will message me, whether they will contact me or not, so will we be together. So you must have got a lot of insecurities this year to 2021. But next year, definitely the person is who is there in your mind, not only, I cannot say the same person, but you are definitely soulmates, and this person will definitely come into your life. Okay, and because the Hierophant is kind of a marriage card, maybe let it keep like this. Okay, so you will attract your soulmate, you will attract the love in your life. The person who is coming into your life, definitely they are made, you both are made for each other, and definitely they are coming to give you lot of love, lot of pampering, lot of trust in this connection. So definitely this person is coming into your life to stay, not to go, because the Hierophant is there. That is the reason in the same spread I can say that this will lead to marriage. I cannot say that this marriage will happen next year only, but definitely the seeds will be sowed in the ground. Like this person will come into your life, then you both start liking each other, then you will fall in love, then eventually it will get into the marriage. Okay, it can happen next year also, or it might take some time, but definitely you will fall in love next year 2022. Okay, and for some of you, I can see, if you are trying for a job, if you want a promotion in your job, definitely you will get a very powerful position. Maybe you are working at a low cadre right now. Maybe if you are a software engineer, you are just an employee. Maybe next year you will get a promotion like a team lead. If you are a teacher, maybe you will be promoted to coordinator or something, like next level. Whatever is the next level, you will definitely, for some of you, you will reach the highest level, because the emperor means it is the king of kings. So definitely you will get a authoritative position where the team will be there under you, and you will be managing the team, and you are the boss of the team. Okay, so that is the very very powerful position you will get in the career if you are looking for a job. I feel that you will be in an authoritative position. Everybody will respect you no matter what, and both the ways they will respect you. They will respect your spirituality, because Hierophant is also kind of a pope. Okay, so Pope means this priest. Let us pull more cards to know more about your future in 2022. What blessings are coming in my pile 1 people's way? Please, spirits and angels, what blessings are coming in my pile 1 people's life in 2022? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, already 2 cards flew away. Queen of Cups and Wheel of Fortune. Page of Swords and the Death. Okay, let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What blessings are coming in their way? Whoever chose this pile number 1, what blessings are coming in their way? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Nine of Pentacles. Postulant. 7 of Wands or 7 of Suns. Bottom of the deck we have the Magician. Okay, so again I got some signs here. So whoever watching this reading, my viewers might be Sagittarius or Scorpio. Okay, this sign may be in your sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, so next year what blessings are coming? What I can see is you should be little careful about your health next year, because it might be little disturbing for you. You might not be feeling well, maybe some kind of depression, or as I told already, you will be in search of yourself, like inner self you will be searching, and you are going into spirituality. So when you are entering into spirituality, the balance will be not that much. Okay, that imbalance might reflect on your health. Okay, not only that, maybe small ailment or small health issues might occur in next year 2022. You should be very careful of that. So you should follow proper precautions of this corona. Then you have to maintain your health, yoga, meditation, everything you have to follow, and you have to take care of your health. For some of you, I feel that maybe who if someone is a mother here, like a single mom or a mother in general, so maybe you are worried about your children in this year 2021. Maybe you are worried about their studies, they are not studying well, or maybe they are not listening to you, or they have some health issues. So you are worried about this in this year 2021. But 2022 will be more good for you. Like you will be happy, you will be more fulfilled, and you will be doing your whatever responsibilities you have. You will be fulfilling all your responsibilities, and you will be taking care of your children, and you will be more satisfied and happy. And one more thing I can see here is like if you are waiting for a job, waiting for a right person, so that good fortunate time is coming in 2020, because the wheel of fortune is there. So wheel is turning into your favor. So all these years, maybe you are dreaming for a job, or dreaming for a person, particular person, or manifesting money. Okay, so whatever you are manifesting, the manifestation will be fulfilled in this year 2022. Okay, because wheel of fortune is there and magician also is there. So that means you are manifesting the long time wish. Okay, maybe long term goal, which are whatever you are having, that will be fulfilled. That can be money related, career or relationship, whatever it is, health. Okay, so that will be health. You should be very careful. I can see that you should be very careful about health. Okay, then something you are getting a new offer. Okay, so you will be starting something new. Maybe it can be, as I told, you will be getting a promotion, or you will be starting something new. Maybe it is a business also, or it can be in the same company. Maybe you are growing, like promotion, as I said. So you will be learning the things carefully. In that manner, you will be sometimes overburdened or frustrated, or sometimes you will be losing your temper. So you should be very careful about that. You should be having that patience in because maybe this is the first time you are handling the team under you. Maybe this is the first time you are achieving this manager position or something like that. So you should be very patient with your subordinates or your team. So I can see that lot of anger in you, like short temper, quick decisions, impulsive decisions. So you should be very careful and very balanced in this 2022 year. You should maintain your balance. That is the reason you should do the meditation, so that you can control your emotions, because you are learning something new. So you should have patience also to learn it in a proper way, instead of shouting at others, instead of fighting with others. So you should have the patience to learn the things properly. So this is these two are the little bit problems are there in 2022. If you can handle it properly, then everything will be fine. Okay, then nine of pentacles definitely shows that you will be very free, independent, freedom lover. Then maybe you are you will be enjoying yourself within yourself, your own company, and you will be earning a lot of money. I can see very much abundance here. You will be single. I'm not saying you will be married in 2022. Maybe you will meet your soulmate, but you won't marry this year. So you will be single, you will be enjoying your life, you will be enjoying your wealth. Okay, so you have lot of pentacles in your life, lot of abundance is coming into your life. So definitely you will be definitely enjoying that. Okay, and you will be, maybe you will be keeping an eye on somebody. Maybe that can be in your job, like your subordinates, or maybe you are keeping an eye on your person. Okay, so because or somebody is spying on you, then that same person will come into your life, because I can see the social media stalking. Then many people will be watching you in Facebook, or I'm getting this message also that some of you will be into public speaking, like motivational speaker, or you will be a public speaker. So definitely everybody will be looking at you, everybody's eyes will be on you. So you will be kind of a very star kind of a energy you will have. Okay, you will be slowly, you will be become very famous in year 2022. Okay, then also I can see there are a lot of obstacles. I don't think that you will be very very peaceful. You will have this conflict in your mind, how to handle these people, because all the people are in your life are not very good or very kind. So definitely you have to face the challenges, but definitely you will overcome the challenges. That's what I can see. These are all the blessings that you are getting from the God. Okay, so maybe the health issues also, it might be worst, but God is giving you blessing that you will come out of it, you will recover faster. So that blessing we have to consider it as the blessing from God. Okay, and also even though you have lot of conflicts, a lot of mismanagement, or a lot of arguments or something like that with your team, or with your subordinates, or with your family also sometimes, or with your children also, but you will be, you will not show it outside. Whatever inner conflict is there in your mind, you will not let others know, and you will be standing strong. Okay, and you will overcome whatever situation is there, you will overcome. And that strength, that courage is given by the God. Okay, that blessings are coming from the universe. So you will manifest whatever the you want to achieve. Definitely you will be manifesting it. So as magician card is there in this pile, I will suggest you to follow the journaling, then reading the affirmations, writing the affirmations, scripting. Okay, so every day you have to follow the law of attraction, so that you can manifest faster. Whatever the wish you have, you can manifest faster to reach your goal. But in 2022 I can see lot of blessings in your life: health, money, career, and relationships. I can see lot of growth in your life in 2022. All the best, friends, for the new year. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this beautiful flower, this reading is for you. Let us see what blessings are coming in your way in 2022. In the new year 2022, what blessings are coming in your way? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What blessings are coming in my pile 2 people's way in 2022? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance. The world, the star, the devil, and the chariot. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Aquarius, then Capricorn, and Cancer. Whoever chose this pile, my viewers, you might be having these signs in your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, also I can see fixed signs: Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, and Scorpio. These are the signs I can see here. So first of all, what I can see here is there is lot of travel involved next year. Okay, maybe this is job related or vacation, or maybe you want to relocate from one place to another. Okay, so I can see lot of travel, because the chariot is there. Lot of changes will be there in your life 2022. Not only travel, I can see lot of changes in your life, and you will be completing a cycle. Maybe you will be shifting to another job, or shifting to different place. Maybe it can be different city, state, or country. So maybe you might be relocating to different place. So you won't be there for in this place, same place where you are staying right now. Okay, and also some of you, I can see you will become a star or a actor, then very famous. You will become very famous in maybe in your society or social media. For some of you, not everybody, but others of you, you will have lot of this hope in your life. Maybe in this year 2021 you are very much losing hopes, and you are sad. Maybe you lost your job, But next year in 2022 you will have everything because you have the hope and positive mind. And I also can see somebody is there far away from you. Maybe they are coming back to you, but that person might not be good for you. Okay, because the devil card is there. The devil card means that is lot of obsession, and it is also indicates that this is not the right person. So maybe you are hoping for this person to come back into your life, and this person will come back, will travel and come back to your life also, but this person is not your soulmate or not your person. Okay, they might be definitely a karmic person. Okay, so you should be careful about that. You have to think and take the decision instead of accepting them immediately. You have to think about the person, you have to think about the circumstances, then you have to take a decision wisely. Okay, because the devil card is not good in every all the readings, right? So in love readings it is a different meaning, then in this kind of readings, future readings, this is a different vibes it is giving. Okay, so the message what I'm getting is a person will come into your life who is not good for you at all. So this person is not having good intentions about you. They might use you, they might they will harm you, they might harm you also. Maybe they have some secret intentions with about you. That is the reason they are coming into your life. They might be coming into your life to teach you some lessons. Okay, so you should be very very careful about this person. This person might be long distance to you, and this person might be little brownish color, and they might be from your own maybe this person might be your relative also. You know this person already. The message which I am getting is you know this person already, and this person might be from your relatives or family, distant family member, or your close friend. Okay, somebody is coming into your life after a long time, and they are not good for you. You have to be little careful. Okay, now let us pull more cards. That's all I have for this spread. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What blessings are coming in their way in the year 2022? What blessings are coming in my pile 2 paper? So in 2022, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, let us see. The Emperor, 4 of Swords. We have here 8 of Wands, 5 of Cups, Empress, and the 4 of Swords. Let us pull some more cards to see what blessings are coming in 2022. What blessings are coming for my pile 2 in 2022? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. The papers, the Moon, Pope, bottom of the deck we have Initiate. Okay, yeah, so what I can see in this spread is you will be praying for something. Maybe you are waiting for somebody or someone into your life. So you must be praying because you feel that even you know that this is not right for you, this person is not right for you, but still you will be praying for the union. You will be manifesting them back into your life. You will be asking God that why it is happening with me. I want that person back, even though he or she good or bad, I want them back. Okay, so you will be praying in the year 2022, but definitely this person, as it has said already, they will come into your life. Okay, because 8 of Wands is there, that means passionate communication will be there. This person is coming towards you with lot of passion. You should be very very careful. Okay, because the Empress card is there. Empress card means it is abundant, at the same time it is a pregnancy card also. So you should be very careful with this person. If the same person is coming into your life like with the devilish intentions, you should be very careful, because there are a lot of chances of you becoming pregnant next year, because the Empress is there. But at the same time, thinking about this person, you will be sad also. You will be feeling that you lost this person, because Five of Cups is there, that sadness will be there. But universe is not leaving you at that. They will, universe is giving you lot of abundance. Immediately you will come into your power. Maybe you have this sadness, you have this depression for some time, but definitely you will come back into your power and become empress. Okay, empress means you will be abundant, you will be beautiful, you will be happy in your own skin, and you will be enjoying your life, the money, luxury. Okay, so you will come back into your life. Definitely you will come into your power. Okay, then you will be like feeling that I don't care, I don't need anybody. That kind of feeling is there. And there might be lot of secrets and issues related to this person. For this pile, whoever chose this blue flower, so I can see it is more related to your relationships only. Okay, anyways, you will be coming back into your power. So this all will happen maybe before May of next year. All these things, all these conflicts will happen. Then after that, you will come back into your energy, and you will be more abundant in your life. You will be more successful, you will be more maybe you are getting a new job, or maybe you are going to some different country to settle down. So all this will happen after the month of May. Then our right person will come to you. That way, I am seeing that this will be my kind of arranged marriage. And definitely they will come into your life, and they will initiate the communication. Okay, so they will initiate. You will be quiet, you will not be. For some of you, I can see whoever chose this pile, they might be a single mom or a single dad. So definitely you won't because you are in the feeling of last person's image. Okay, so you don't want to trust anybody, so you will be quiet, you will not try to have any other relationships and all, and you will be doing your own work, doing your own job next year. But definitely one person, special person will come into your life. I can see marriage also. This will be arranged marriage, I can see here. And this person will come, and it will happen in front of everybody. So this is kind of a both the families will be there, both the families will agree for the marriage. And because the Pope card is there, Pope card also shows that you are definitely uh, very power couple, I can say. You both will be kind of a power couple. You both are kind of made for each other. And you are like a king and queen. Okay, so this message is coming because I can see lot of people involved in this connection. So this is not definitely a love marriage, and many people are involved. So I feel that this is a kind of an arranged marriage. And at least if marriage will not happen, but at least the engagement will happen. Okay, for many of you, if you are looking for a second marriage, for some of you might be the viewers are like single mom or a single dad, as I said. So you might be looking for a next person, right? So this also will be kind of a arranged marriage only, and that person also will be a divorcee. Suppose if you are a single mom or single dad and you are looking for the second marriage, I can see that the other person also will be a divorcee. So everything will happen fast, because I can see the pregnancy card here. So everything will happen very, very fast. So many of you will get married, whoever chose this pile, okay, blue flower. So you might be definitely, everything will happen so fast that you won't even believe, like, okay, this happened so fast. So and then immediately some of you might definitely travel to different place, relocate to different place, different country. Okay, so these are all the blessings are coming in your way. You are feeling that, okay, the past person is good, I want that person only. You will be in this kind of a stubborn energy, but universe is saying that person is not right for you, not good for you. So definitely you have to trust the universe, hope for the best, and accept the new person, and the marriage will happen. Okay, that's all I can see. And also I can see there might be some issues with your mother or mother figure, or you have to take care of their health also. Or god forbid, somebody will fall ill, seriously ill, in the in your family, immediate family next year. But definitely they will recover, and it will happen for a good reason, like they will cope up faster. So that blessing is coming. Maybe you will be sad. Okay, you will be sad for some period because they are not well and all. And for some of you, I don't know how to say that, but maybe some unfortunate incident will happen, and because of that, you will be very, very sad. Maybe your somebody, some news you will hear. Okay, some bad news you will hear, and you will be definitely sad and depressed in for some days, I feel. Okay, but God forbid nothing should happen, and you pray to God, and you trust yourself, trust universe. But blessings are, you will cope up very fast. Okay, and the main thing is your marriage will happen, and pregnancy also I can see, and also I can see travel, as I told you already, relocation, travel. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment how it is resonated with you. Please comment in the comment section. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.